just on time. And of course I'm not gonna stand here, it's like dangerous. Probably like 20-30 minutes more. So what I'm listening to is some Sunday morning motivation video next to St.Lucia station. So yeah, this is what mom suggested me. So I'm not reading anything right now because medicine is like so vast, you can just read whatever. So just trying to relax, calm down, and hear to these nice and positive affirmations just calming me down. So yeah. Okay guys, so here at the railway station, took a small dairy milk just in case in the break I need a sugar high. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down, take an auto to the Prometric test center. Okay, so yeah, let's find the way. Okay, so let's take an auto. भैया प्रोमेट्रिक सेंटर पता है, टेक्नीप्लेक्स बता दो फिर. So yeah, let's go. That's where we're going for the exam. Okay, so I'm here. That's Radisson Blue, so I guess just opposite Radisson Blue would be easier way to come in and out. Now I have to find a way to go in. So guys, I'll be stopping the camera here. I don't wanna wear any weird scenes, me trying to vlog going inside the exam. So yeah, good luck to me for the exam. I'm just gonna text my friends and mom that I've reached and I'm going for the exam. So well, that seems to be the wrong gate, but I still have like more than half an hour extra time, so I just have to go down the signal and cross and take the other gate to go by walking. That's for cars, I guess. So yeah, I'll just go in by this road. Shouldn't take me more than 3-4 minutes. So yeah, good luck for the exam. Okay guys, I just came out. So how was the exam? Would say it was decent, and it was good compared to how I had practiced. So yeah, but the first, like I had 4 parts, so because I didn't really warm up this morning, I was just relaxed and chilled out, and suddenly just starting with going to the center in a completely new place, it was just like a first 5 or 10 minutes, which was like, you know, just super like jump. So I would say that next time I'm gonna practice like 5 or 10 questions just before starting my exam. And yeah, that's the main thing. Apart from that, taking the breaks, it's like for me to go and like just pee, it takes like 5 minutes, because it takes actually 2 minutes, but it's like just going out and coming in, you have to follow security procedure where they'll check you, you have to roll off your sleeves, your pants and everything, so your socks, everything. So yeah, I'll keep that in mind for the next time, that you know, I wear something that's better. I did wear something that's right, had less zips, but yeah, for the next one I'll try to keep that in mind. And yup, the environment is real nice. It's real good, except for the part that during my last session someone just came in and like was just driving so loud. So yeah, luckily you have noise cancellation headphones, which is helpful with that. So yeah, overall it was a good experience, because I'll be giving my Usmle step 1 right here. So it's good that I know the place now and I know how it works. So I'll be preparing the right way for my exam now. So yeah, that's about it.